Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you computer and we are going to discuss chapter number 2. So children, in the previous part of the video, we discussed why computer is called a smart machine, and in today's part we are going to discuss its bookwork. Before discussing bookwork, let's summarize the chapter. We learned why computer is called a smart machine, because it makes our work easy, it runs on electricity and it never gets tired, it can do many tasks at same time and it can do many more things. Now there are different uses of computers. With the help of computer we can solve sums, we can watch movies like Chhota Bheem, Hanuman, any kind of movie. We can play music, we can do calculations, we can send and receive messages through email by sitting at any place. Now children, you know, we learned one more thing, that computer is used at different places, like computer is used in schools, at banks, airports, railway station and many more. Now computer is a smart machine, but some things which computer cannot do is that computer cannot think and computer cannot take decisions. Now let's discuss the bookwork. For that children, you have to open page number 1414. Let's start. Question A. Think and tell. Why is computer called a smart machine? Yes, why is computer called a smart machine? Because it makes our work easy. Yes, it makes our work easy. We can do our work very quickly. We can do calculations in just seconds. So it is called a smart machine because it makes our work easy. Number 2, name any 2 movies that you have watched on a computer. Now here we have to name 2 movies which we have watched on computer. Let's see the names. Hanuman and Chhota Bheem. They are the name of movies, so first letter will be capital. Let's spell children. Hanuman, comma, Chhota Chhota, Chhota, Bhem, Bheem. Number B. First, name the machine that do many things. Now which machine can do many things? Which machine can make our work easy? Answer is computer. Which machine can make our work easy children? Computer. Let's spell it. Computer. Computer, and C will be capital. Number 2. What are the things that a computer cannot do? I told you children, there are some things which computer cannot do. Let's see the answer. A computer cannot think and take decisions. Yes, computer cannot think and computer cannot take decisions because it's a human made machine. So answer is a computer cannot think and take decisions. Now children, let's see question number C. Multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option. A computer dash very fast. What computer do? A works, B runs or C eats. Computer works very fast because it can do calculation in just seconds. So answer is works. We will tick on option number A. You send and receive dash using computers. What we can send and receive using computer? A food, B messages or C clothes. What we can do children? We can send and we can receive messages. So answer is option number B, messages. Now let's see number 3. A computer is a dash machine. Now computer is a dash machine. A ill machine, B foolish machine or C smart machine. Computer is a smart machine because it can do many tasks at a time. Now children, let's see how to write the hard words. First is, why is computer called a smart machine? Because it makes our work easy. It makes our work easy. Children, you have to write in a very beautiful handwriting. Now, number 2. Name any 2 movies that you have watched on a computer. Let's write the name, children. H will be capital, Hanuman. H-A-N-U-M-A-N, Hanuman, comma, Chhota Bheem. C will be capital again, C-H-H-O-T-A, Chhota. B will be capital, children. B-H-E-E-M, Bheem. Now, next, number B. Name the machine that can do many things. Now, here we have to tell the name of the machine which can do many things. Which machine can do many things? Answer is computer. Let's see how to write computer. C will be capital, children. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. Number 2. What are the things that a computer cannot do? What computer cannot do? Computer cannot think and take decisions. Let's see how to write. A computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer, cannot, C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot think, T-H-I-N-K, think, and A-N-D, and take, T-A-K-E, take, decisions, D-E-C-I-S-I-O-N-S, decisions, full stop. Now, children, let's switch to next question. Number D. Write T for true statement and F for false statement. Here we have to write T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. Number 1. A computer solves sums for you. Yes, we can do calculations. We can solve sums using computer. So, this statement is true. We will write T over here. Number 2. A computer cannot play music for you. Can computer play music for us? Yes, we can play music. So, this statement is false. We will write F over here. Number 3, children. A computer remembers many things. Yes, computer remembers many things. Whatever we will store in computer, it will be there. So, computer remember many things. The statement is true. So, we will write T over here. Next, number 4. A computer can take decisions. Children, can computer take decisions? No, computer cannot take decisions because it's a human made machine. So, this statement is false. We will write F over here. Now, let's see number E. Fill in the blanks with uses of computers. Now, children, here pictures are given and we have to fill in the blanks by the uses of computers. I solve dash for you. What computer solves for us? It solves sums for us. So, answer is sums. Let's spell it. S-U-M-S, sums. I dash pictures for you. Okay, children, what we can do using computer? We can draw pictures. D-R-A-W. You can see picture over here. I play dash with you. Yes, we can play games also using computers. So, answer is games. G-A-M-E-S, games. I show you dash. I told you we can watch movies using computers. So, I show you movies. M-O-V-I-E-S, movies. I play dash for you. We can listen to music, we can play music using computers. So I play music for you. M-U-S-I-C, music. I dash and dash messages for you. What we can do? We can send and we can receive messages. So computer says I send and receive messages for you. S-E-N-D, send. R-E-C-E-I-V-E, receive. Now children, let's see how to write these spellings. First is I solve sums for you. S-U-M-S, sums. S will be small children. I dash pictures for you. I draw. D-R-A-W, draw. I play dash with you. I play games. We can play games using computer. G-A-M-E-S, games. Next, number 4. I show you dash. We can watch what? We can watch movies using computers. M-O-V-I-E-S, movies. Number 5. I play dash for you. What we can play? What we can listen using computer? We can play, we can listen music. M-U-S-I-C, music. Number 6. I dash and dash messages for you. What we can do? We can send and we can receive messages. So S-E-N-D, send. R-E-C-E-I-V-E, receive. I hope you have understood how to write all the spellings. Now let's switch to next question. Section B, very short answer questions. Write the names of any 2 games that you play on your computer. We play many games, but here we have to write any 2 names. Let's see what we will write. Car racing and chess. Let's spell it. C-A-R, car. R-A-C-I-N-G, racing. C-H-E-S-S, chess. Number 2 children. Name any 3 places where a computer is used. Now there are so many places where there is a use of computer, but here we have to write only 3 places. Name of 3 places. School, home, office. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. In school, computer is used for teaching. It is used for making report cards. It is used in library. At home, it is used to draw pictures, solve sums, watch movies, and we can do many more things at home. At office, it is used to send and receive messages. It is used to do office work. So, school, home and office. Let's spell all 3 spellings. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. H-O-M-E, home. O-F-F-I-C-E, office. Next, B. Write 2 different ways in which you use a computer. Now we have to write different ways how we can use a computer. First is, I use computer to play games. We play games using computers. I use computer to make drawings. Yes, we can draw pictures, we can do drawing using a computer. Children, I hope you have understood the chapter well and you must have done this book work with me in a very beautiful handwriting. Keep learning, keep studying. Thank you.